Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a no-logs VPN that explicitly allows P2P traffic and uses AES 256 encryption. This protects your transfers. Once installed, sign into the app and confirm your subscription is active. Enable the kill switch to block internet if the VPN drops, and then pick a nearby server marked for torrenting to reduce latency. This balances speed and privacy. Make sure your torrent client is closed while changing these settings so IP leaks don't occur during setup. Once connected to the VPN server, verify your IP changed with an IP check. This confirms protection. Next, open your torrent client and enforce encryption and set upload to about 80% of your max to keep downloads smooth. If the client supports adapter binding, bind it to the VPN interface so traffic won't leak if the VPN disconnects. If you need better seeding connectivity, enable VPN-supported port forwarding, but only when your provider allows it and you understand the trade-offs. You finish by downloading a small, legal torrent to test speeds and confirm peers, show the VPN exit IP. This proves anonymity. If transfers are slow, switch to a different nearby P2P server or try switching the client's protocol between UDP and TCP to see which route's better. If you detect DNS or IP leaks, immediately re-enable the kill switch, rebind the client to the VPN adapter, and retest. If problems persist, contact your VPN support for logs and guidance so you can torrent safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.